It's the end of the semester and you're checking in all of the textbooks that have been returned. Suddenly, you realize the textbook you're about to scan has some water damage. Not enough that you'll have to throw it away, but enough that you want to make a note of it and charge the patron a fine for the damage. Textbook Tracker has a wonderful feature that lets you quickly charge a damage fee in these cases. In circulation, you'll need to have both the patron you'd like to charge and the damaged textbook current. If you've just book dropped the textbook, then they will both be current. Enter the DL command, then hit Enter on your keyboard. Use the Damage Codes window to enter custom damage or select one of the listed damage codes. You can modify this list and the fines associated with each in your preferences. Click OK and Alexandria will issue a fine and make note about the damage in the copy information. If the damage to the textbook is repairable, you can then check the textbook out to the On Repair System patron. This ensures that the copy status is set to on repair rather than showing as available. In checkout mode, enter patron barcode 4, then scan your textbook to check it out. Be sure to book drop the textbook once it's been repaired so it shows up as available. Sometimes you may get textbooks back that are beyond repair, or even textbooks that the district is no longer using. Rather than completely removing the records from your system, we suggest that you use discard mode to change their status. Enter discard mode by using the mode menu or the DM command, and select the discard reason. Once you're in discard mode, start scanning the textbooks you are discarding, and that's it. If you're discarding a textbook that is damaged and you want to charge the patron the replacement cost, make sure the textbook is still checked out to the patron when you discard it. That way, Textbook Tracker knows to make a note and charge the patron. We suggest keeping discarded items in Textbook Tracker until the end of the fiscal year. By keeping discarded textbook records, you keep the circulation history and statistics for those textbooks and can run reports on what was damaged or weeded. When you no longer need that information and you've run all your reports, you can run a utility to remove all discarded textbooks.